Qualfon, a leading global business process outsourcing provider, celebrates the start of construction on one of the largest contact center campuses in the world. Qualfon campus will feature traditional and alternative power generation, indoor-outdoor cafeteria, an interfaith chapel, an on-site wastewater treatment facility. The Qualfon Guy 3 building is single-story, measuring 5,351 square meters, and sits on 1.3 acres of land on the northeastern portion of the Qualfon site, located at Providence on the east bank of Demerara. All construction is being done in accordance with international standards. The building is constructed to accommodate solar panels and/or wind turbines at the site, which will take advantage of Guyana's sunshine and prevailing northeast trade winds to significantly reduce Qualfon's dependency on electricity from the local grid. In addition, Qualfon, recognizing the importance of minimum downtime, will also have 2 backup generators to be used in the event of a power failure. The building will be surrounded by beautifully landscaped areas with grass, plants, and pavements. There will also be parking areas and roadways within the campus to accommodate easy access.